Have you ever sat down at the dinner table, looked at your plate, and thought, is this really what eating healthy is supposed to look like? Maybe you've been told that heart-healthy food is all about bland salads, flavorless chicken, and endless bowls of steamed broccoli. If you're like me, you might have even felt a little bit of dread at the idea of swapping your favorite comfort foods for something that looks, well, less than exciting. It's easy to assume that taking care of your heart means sacrificing taste, variety, and the simple joy of eating. But what if I told you that couldn't be further from the truth? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because heart-healthy food can be vibrant, delicious, and totally satisfying. Today, I'm going to show you 5 incredible foods that not only support your heart, but also make your taste buds do a happy dance. Whether you're a foodie, a health nut, or just someone looking to make better choices, these foods are about to become your new favorites. So let's dive in and discover how eating for your heart can be the most delicious decision you make all week. First up, let's talk about berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, these tiny, colorful fruits are more than just a pretty addition to your breakfast bowl. They're packed with powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help protect your heart by reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful free radicals. Studies have shown that people who eat berries regularly have a lower risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular problems. And the best part? Berries are incredibly versatile. Toss them into your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, sprinkle them over yogurt, or just enjoy them by the handful as a sweet, guilt-free snack. Plus, they're naturally low in calories and high in fiber, which means they help keep you full and satisfied without weighing you down. Next time you're at the market, pick up a basket of fresh berries and give your heart a little love with every bite. Coming in at number 2 on our list, nuts. Now I know what you might be thinking. Aren't nuts high in fat? It's true, but here's the good news. These are the kinds of fats your heart actually loves. Almonds, walnuts, and other tree nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. They're also packed with plant-based protein, fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium, all of which play a role in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Just a small handful a day, about an ounce, is enough to reap the benefits. Try adding chopped nuts to your salads, stirring them into your morning oatmeal, or simply enjoying them as a crunchy, satisfying snack between meals. And if you're feeling adventurous, experiment with different varieties like pistachios, pecans, or hazelnuts. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you. Moving on to number 3, oats. If you're looking for a breakfast that's both comforting and heart-healthy, look no further than a warm bowl of oatmeal. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, by helping to remove it from your bloodstream. But oats aren't just for breakfast. You can use them to make homemade granola, energy bars, or even savory dishes like oat risotto. Top your oatmeal with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a handful of nuts for a meal that's as delicious as it is good for your heart. And if you're short on time in the mornings, try making overnight oats. Just mix oats with your favorite milk or yogurt, add some fruit, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast that's packed with heart-healthy goodness. Don't forget about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, romaine, arugula, Swiss chard, the list goes on. These vibrant greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your blood pressure in check and support overall heart health. Leafy greens are especially high in vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promotes proper blood clotting. They're also a great source of nitrates, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve the function of your blood vessels. The best part? Leafy greens are incredibly easy to add to your diet. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie, build a colorful salad for lunch, saute them with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish, or layer them into sandwiches and wraps. The possibilities are endless, and your heart will thank you for every bite. Finally, let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and herring are all swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that your body can't make on its own. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, decrease blood pressure, and even help prevent irregular heartbeats. Eating fatty fish just 2 times a week can make a big difference in your heart health. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to enjoy these benefits. Try grilling or baking salmon with a squeeze of lemon and fresh herbs, making a simple sardine salad, or adding canned mackerel to pasta dishes. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, you can still get omega-3s from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. The key is to make these heart-healthy fats a regular part of your diet. So the next time you're strolling through the grocery store, don't just walk past the produce section or the seafood counter. Take a moment to fill your cart with these 5 power foods: berries, nuts, oats, leafy greens, and fatty fish. Not only will you be giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy, but you'll also be treating yourself to meals that are full of flavor, color, and variety. Eating for your heart doesn't have to mean giving up the foods you love. It's about discovering new favorites and making small, delicious changes that add up over time. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every healthy choice you make is a step toward a happier, healthier you. Imagine sitting down to a meal that not only tastes amazing, but also supports your heart and your overall well-being. Picture yourself enjoying a vibrant salad topped with berries and nuts, a comforting bowl of oatmeal in the morning, or a perfectly cooked piece of salmon for dinner. These foods aren't just good for you, They're a celebration of everything that makes eating enjoyable. Your heart will thank you for nourishing it with the best nature has to offer, and your taste buds will be just as grateful. So go ahead, embrace the delicious side of heart health and savor every bite. And if you're looking for more easy, practical tips to boost your health and happiness, you're in the right place. We're all about making healthy living simple, fun, and totally doable, no matter where you're starting from. So if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more inspiration, recipes, and science-backed advice. Together, we can make every meal a step toward a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned, and remember, your heart deserves the very best.